Hey there! We all know very well that the Lord speaks to us in so many ways. As we had our soaking earlier, the Holy Spirit spoke to us again a message for His people. And He said, He may have everything in the world, but loses his soul is nothing. Therefore, prioritize spiritual things rather than material ones. And it is in Matthew 16:26. For what profit is it to a man if he gains the whole world and loses his own soul? Always remember that having everything the world has to offer, such as money, fame, power, and pleasure, is of no value. When we die without a right relationship with Christ and spend eternity in the lake of fire. For God so loved the world, that is why He always wanted His people to be saved and be with Him in the paradise. God bless.